Hello everyone, this is Raviraj and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video we will discuss a very famous question of array, that is of missing number in array. Okay, so the question is given an array of size n minus n such that it contains only distinct integer in the range of 1 to n, find the missing element. Okay, so here you can see the example like n equal to 5 and the array is 1 2 3 4 and the missing element is 4. So how can we approach that particular question? We will discuss first. After that we will discuss the coding part. Okay, I hope you will understand that particular question what it's saying. I know this is of basic type, but most of the beginner are not able to solve that particular question. So I've just started from the basic level. After that, I will try to move uh, upper level in the type of array questions. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. First, discuss what the question is saying. Okay, we have an array. Okay, suppose we have an array 1, 2, 3, and 5. It's an array. Okay, so here you can see that there is an array that is there is an element that is missing, that is 4. Okay, so the missing element is 4. We can write it as follow: missing element is 4. Okay, so how we will approach that particular question? We have studied a formula that is n into n plus 1 by 2 in the class 9th or 10th. I hope uh, you have remember it. Okay, so n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so what this formula says that it returns all the sum from 1 to n. Suppose we have an element like 1 2 3. Here there are three elements. So how what will be the sum of that particular 1 to 3? We can put in this form, like there is three element na? Then 3 into 3 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, it will give what? 4 into 3 by 2, it will give 6, and the sum of all these elements are 6. Okay, so we will use that approach. Okay, so let's start the coding part. So we'll just initialize a variable that is int sum 1 equal to 0, and why we are taking it, I will discuss all these things. Okay, so we will start a for loop in which I will add all the element that containing n minus 1 length. Okay, int I equal to 0, I smaller than n minus 1, I plus plus. Why have I have used n minus 1? Because one element is missing. That's why I am using n minus 1. I hope you will understand. Okay, so I will store all the sum of that particular elements in sum 1. Okay, so how can we add in that, like sum 1 equal to sum 1 plus array of I. Okay, so it store all the elements in sum 1. Okay, what can we do next? Like we have used the formula n into n plus 1 by 2, so the total element is 5. Suppose you will take the example first. Total element are 5, so we will store all the element in the second variable, and we can store as like n into n sorry, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so and like this line store all the element that containing in the original array. Okay, so it contains all the element. Now what we can do next, like we can take another variable and we will just subtract sum 2 minus sum 1. So what it will give? It will return the element that is missing. Okay, how it is going? Let's discuss here. Suppose we have element 1 2 3 5. So the total, if you add all these elements, then it will give 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. It will give 11, right? But suppose if extra element that is missing, 4. So if we add 4 here, then the total will be 15, right? So if we subtract 15 minus 11, then what it will give? It will give 4. So we are approaching that here. Now we can just return differ here. Okay, so and that is our answer. Okay, so in this way we can solve that particular question. Okay, so I hope you have understand that particular question, that what we are approaching here. So let's, it's taking time because there is some network issue here, so just wait. Hmm. And this is the approach, like and this is the right approach. If you have any approach, just comment below, and I will upload more and more coding question in the regular basis, so just connect with my channel. Okay, so it's taking time, so let's wait. So here you can see that the expected output is 4 and we are just getting 4. So this is our solution. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care.